Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make naan bread. So this flat bread goes well with different kinds of curries and stews. I really love this because it's super easy to make. So for this recipe, I used all-purpose flour, ghee, water, sugar, salt, yogurt, and yeast. Add sugar to lukewarm water and mix it. It is very important that the water is lukewarm, so not too cold and neither too hot. If the water is too cold, it will not activate the yeast, and if the water is too hot, it will kill the yeast. Let the yeast sit for about 5 minutes in a warm place and then add the yogurt. Mix it again and allow it to sit for another 5 minutes in a warm place. In the meantime, add salt to the flour and give it a whisk. Now gradually add flour to the wet ingredients. I started with 1 cup and I gradually added more flour. So now the dough is getting thicker, so I'm going to use my hands to knead the dough. Here I am flouring my surface and I'm going to continue to knead the dough. Our goal here is to activate the gluten, so the longer you can knead the dough, the better it is. I knead mine for about 10 minutes. Grease a bowl with ghee and put the dough in it and brush it with ghee. Cover it and allow it to sit for about 2 hours in a warm place. Take the dough out of the bowl and knead it for an additional 5 minutes. Cut it into smaller pieces and let it rest for about 5 minutes. I like to use a heavy rolling pin to roll the dough, and you can roll it in any shape you like. So while rolling the dough, heat a cast iron skillet over high heat. So here I'm putting my dough in the cast iron skillet. If you want to do this with a cast iron skillet, you need to make sure that it is a well-seasoned skillet. If it's not well-seasoned, it will probably stick to your skillet. And there you have it. It is very simple to make. You do need some time to make this because it needs a lot of resting time, but that's what makes it good. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.